Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact battery type stamped on the back. This prevents returns and damage. Once done, place the remote on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and use a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the seam. Apply gentle, even pressure. Make sure to observe battery orientation and note which side faces up. You'll need that for reassembly. If screws are present, remove and store them safely. This gets you into the unit without forcing or breaking clips. You now remove the old battery carefully, using tweezers or your fingernail to lift it straight out so you don't bend the contacts. After removal, inspect the terminals. If there's grime or corrosion, clean with a 70% isopropyl swab and let it dry completely. This ensures a good connection. Once clean, place the new CR cell into the slot matching polarity marks. Press until it seats snugly. Make sure no plastic tabs or metal springs are obstructed before reclosing the case. You finish by aligning the case halves and snapping them together or reinstalling screws. Don't over-tighten. Fingertip torque is sufficient. Once assembled, test the remote from about 3 to 6 feet away while pointing at the carrier unit. Watch for LED feedback or device response. If it doesn't work, make sure the battery polarity was correct, the new cell isn't dead, and contacts are clean. If the remote has a reset procedure, perform it now. If problems persist, try another known good battery before replacing the remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.